Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Today our topic is 5 tips to chemistry. Tip number 1, element part 2. About the element part 1, you have watched in WhatsApp group and also in my first video. The second part is about the element is about atomic numbers and mass numbers. Dear students, as all of you know, atomic numbers are the number of protons and mass numbers are the sum of protons and neutrons. But in this video, you are to only learn by heart the atomic number and mass number. Just in first lecture, I have told you that you have learned by heart the symbols, just like you learn counting in mathematics, tables in mathematics, ABC in English, alphabet in Urdu. Similarly, you are to learn by heart, you are to cram it, you are to memorize it. Some important useful methods to memorize, to cram, to learn the atomic numbers. Dear students, as you know, to learn or to memorize in our mind, the references are very important. References are of two types. Number 1, standard reference. For example, F is equal to ma. Its standard reference in all over the world is Newton's second law of motion. And the second reference to memorize different type of informations and knowledge is that man-made references. Just like I have made a reference, these references may be some meaningful words, some meaningful sentences, or some meaningless word or meaningless sentences, or any other such type of codes. For example, I have made a man-made reference to learn the names of branches of chemistry, piano, budget. For this word, you can name at least 12 to 13 names of branches. Similarly, I give you some man-made references to learn the atomic numbers. First one, for period number 1, you are to learn only 4 sentences. Number 1, Mr. H. Helium. Mr. H. Helium. H stands for hydrogen. Helium stands for helium, He. Number 2, period number 2, the second sentence is, listen BBC News on Friday night. Listen BBC News on Friday night. For period number 3 and sentence number 4. In Urdu, Na Maam Ali se pyara sa kal ar. Na Maam Ali se pyara sa kal ar. Period number 4 of main group elements. Sentence number 4. Kya kya gaya ji Aslam se broker. You are to learn at least first 20 elements, their symbols and their atomic numbers. And you are to only learn by heart the 4 sentences. Number 1, Mr. H. Helium. Number 2, listen BBC News on Friday night. Number 3, ना मांग अली से प्यारा सा कलर। नंबर 4, क्या कह गया जी असलम से ब्रोकर। With the help of these 4 sentences, you can tell the atomic numbers of at least 20 to 25 elements. You can tell the atomic numbers and also mass numbers. How? For example, with the help of these 4 sentences, I have written here Mr. H. Helium from left to right. H. Helium. H-E. With the help of sentence number 2, the first letter of all the words are first and second. Listen, L-I-B-E, B-C, news, N, on, O, Friday, F, night, N. So, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. With the help of sentence number 3, Na, Na, Mang, Mg, Ali, Al, Se, Si, Pyara, P, Sa, S, Kan, Cl, R, Ar. Natrium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. With the help of sentence number 4, क्या, कै, गया, जी, असलम, से, ब्रोकर. So, कैलियम, पोटाशियम, कैल्शियम, गैलियम, जर्मेनियम, arsenic, selenium, bromine, krypton. But you are to know at least first 20 elements with their atomic numbers and mass numbers, because in SSC 1 and SSC 2 you need at least to learn atomic number and mass number of 25 to 30 elements. With the help of these 4 sentences, you can tell the atomic number of first 20 elements. How? For example, someone asked you, what is the atomic number of phosphorus? You have learned the 4 sentences by heart. You are to use the sentences starting from sentence number 1, just like you have asked to tell the atomic number of phosphorus. No, you start sentence number 1. Mr. H. Helium. Listen, BBC. News on Friday night. Na, Mang, Ali, Se. Pyara. Pyara, phosphorus. You have learned symbols in lecture number 1. You have learned the symbol. You know Pyara, P. P is the symbol of phosphorus. Now count them. These are number 15. So atomic number of phosphorus is 15. Similarly, someone asks you, tell the atomic number of lead, magnesium. Again start from the sentence number 1, H. Helium. Listen, BBC. News on Friday night. Na, Mang. Na, Mang, Mg. So you have asked to tell the atomic number of magnesium. So count them. It's 12. It means atomic number of magnesium is 12. In this way, you can easily tell the atomic number of first 20 elements without any confusion. And you need in class 9th and class 10th maximum 25 elements and their symbols and their atomic number. You have learnt first 20, and you can learn by heart 4 modes. For example, bromine 35, barium 56, strontium 38, iodine 53. So up to class 9th and 10th, these are sufficient. What is the benefit of atomic number to learn? I shall tell you in next lecture. With the help of atomic number, you can solve 15 type of questions in chemistry 9th and 10th. And it may be 60 to 70 questions. 60 to 70 questions of class 9th and 10 to 20 questions of class 10th. So it means 60 to 80 questions you can solve, especially for class 9th and 10th with the help of only atomic number, without any help of any other thing. Now, I shall tell you how will you learn the mass number. Mass number, as you know, mass number is sum of protons and neutrons. You have learned symbols and atomic number of first 20 elements. Now, there is 2 techniques to tell the mass numbers of first 20 elements. Number 1, the elements with odd atomic number. For example, lithium, boron, fluorine, sodium, aluminium. Odd atomic number, the elements which have odd atomic number. How will you find their mass number? The formula is that their atomic number multiplied by 2 plus 1. Atomic number multiplied by 2 plus 1. You will get its mass number. For example, lithium, you know atomic number, you have learned the technique to tell the atomic number with the help of 4 sentences. According to sentences, atomic number of lithium is 3. According to this formula, to find the mass number, lithium 3, it's odd. 3 multiplied by 2 plus 1 is equal to 7. So 7 is its mass number. Similarly, aluminium, its atomic number is 13 according to sentences technique. So 13 multiplied by 2 plus 1 is equal to 27. 27 is a mass number. Only hydrogen and nitrogen is not applicable. Mass number of hydrogen, all of you know, it's 1, and nitrogen, its mass number, because its atomic number is 7, but you are to multiply by 2 only, not add plus 1. It is exceptional case. It is according to rule number 2. Rule number 2, the elements whose atomic numbers are even numbers. What is the technique to tell the mass number of such elements? The technique is that their atomic number multiplied by 2 only. You need not to add plus is equal to their mass number. For example, neon, its atomic number is 10. You have learned with the help of 4 sentences. 10 multiplied by 2 is equal to 20. 20 is its mass number. Similarly, silicon, 14 multiplied by 2 is equal to 28. 28 is the mass number. But beryllium and argon are exceptional cases. Beryllium, its formula is of odd, just like the nitrogen mass number of nitrogen is found with the help of formula of even numbers. Similarly, the mass number of beryllium is found with the help of formula of odd numbers. And argon is 40. So you can learn by heart beryllium 9, argon 40. You are to memorize them with the help of this technique. I am sure it will be helpful for you. And in next lecture, I shall tell you what is the significance, what is the importance of atomic number and mass number in chemistry. I assure you of that you will be able to solve 60 to 80 questions of SSC1 and SSC2 chemistry with the help of symbols, atomic number and mass number. Thank you.